For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The fashion industry, with its creativity and cultural impact, has always been an exciting space for entrepreneurs. Today, with free AI tools, launching a fashion business has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're starting a clothing line, selling curated fashion pieces, or designing digital apparel, AI can help streamline your journey from concept to sales. This step-by-step guide explains how to use AI to develop your fashion brand, design your products, plan marketing, and even manage operations without the need for costly consultants. Step 1. Define your fashion niche and business model. Start by choosing the type of fashion business you want to build. Will you create a streetwear brand, focus on eco-friendly apparel, or design digital fashion for the metaverse? Use ChatGPT to help brainstorm niche ideas and validate them. Prompt: give me 10 unique fashion business ideas based on current 2025 trends, including streetwear, digital fashion, and sustainable clothing. Once you have a clear idea, determine your business model, e.g., direct-to-consumer, dropshipping, custom-made, or print-on-demand. ChatGPT can help you weigh the pros and cons of each model. Prompt: compare the advantages and disadvantages of using a print-on-demand model versus a wholesale model for a small fashion brand. Step 2. Create a fashion business plan using AI. A well-written business plan is essential for organizing your vision and seeking funding. ChatGPT can generate a customized fashion business plan, including market research, brand positioning, and financial projections. Prompt: write a fashion business plan for a startup that sells eco-friendly streetwear targeting Gen Z buyers online. For financial forecasts and pricing models, use Google Sheets along with Google's built-in AI, now integrated with Gemini, to estimate production costs, profit margins, and break-even points. Prompt: create a spreadsheet model to calculate product pricing based on material cost, shipping, marketing, and profit margin. Step 3. Design your fashion line with free AI tools. Designing is at the heart of any fashion brand. You can use AI-powered design platforms like Designify to generate mood boards and product images. If you're designing clothes, tools like Crayon or Curated AI can generate concept sketches based on text prompts. Prompt for Curated AI: create fashion design sketches for a futuristic urban streetwear collection with metallic colors and geometric patterns. To finalize designs for printing or samples, use Figma for layout and prototyping. You can enhance your workflow by using Figma's built-in AI plugins for resizing, recoloring, and template editing. Step 4. Develop your brand identity with AI. A strong brand identity makes your fashion business memorable. ChatGPT can help craft a brand story, mission statement, and voice. Prompt: write a compelling brand story for a minimalist fashion label inspired by Scandinavian design and ethical manufacturing. Use Loca to generate a free logo and brand color palette. This AI tool creates brand kits from a few inputs like name, style, and vibe. Prompt: generate a logo for a modern fashion brand named Nordique that combines elegance and simplicity. Step 5. Build a website or storefront using AI. Create a functional and beautiful e-commerce website using free AI-driven platforms like Zyro or Durable AI, which auto-build sites based on your business type and branding inputs. Prompt: build an online fashion store with a modern design for a brand selling gender-neutral apparel and accessories. If you prefer manual control, use Shopify's free plan with Shopify Magic, which helps generate product descriptions and automate site content. Prompt for Shopify Magic: write a product description for a gender-neutral cotton hoodie with eco-friendly dye. Step 6. Plan and execute a marketing strategy using AI. Marketing is where AI really shines. Use ChatGPT to craft a complete strategy, including SEO, email campaigns, and influencer outreach. Prompt: Create a 3-month marketing strategy for launching a new fashion line targeting Gen Z customers on Instagram and TikTok. To generate social media content, use Canva's AI tools to auto-design Instagram Reels, carousels, and TikTok video templates. Use copy.ai or Notion AI to write captions, emails, and blog posts. Prompt for copy.ai. Write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a launch campaign promoting handmade leather bags. Step 7. Validate the market and test the product. Use AI to test product market fit before investing heavily. Use Typeforms AI to create surveys and Google Forms for collecting customer feedback. Analyze results with Google Sheets or ChatGPT. Prompt. Create a customer feedback survey to validate the appeal of a new luxury streetwear hoodie priced at $90. You can also launch a small paid campaign on Meta ads using Meta Advantage Plus, which uses AI to optimize delivery. ChatGPT can help you write ad copy. Prompt. Write a Facebook ad for a new ethical fashion brand featuring unisex bamboo t-shirts made in the USA. Step 8. Manage operations and customer service using AI. Use free tools like ChatGPT or Tidio AI chatbot to handle customer service on your website. For inventory and supply chain management, Irritable AI can be used to track orders, shipments, and vendors. Prompt for Tidio AI. Create a customer service bot script to help users track their orders and answer questions about size guides. To manage tasks and internal communication, use Notion AI to set goals, timelines, and create operating procedures. Prompt for Notion AI. Create a project plan for organizing a seasonal fashion drop, including design, production, and promotion tasks. Step 9. Scale the business with data-driven insights. Once you start getting sales, it's time to optimize. Use Google Analytics and Shopify Analytics to monitor buyer behavior. Then, feed the data in a ChatGPT for insights and suggestions. Prompt. Analyze the Shopify sales data and recommend 3 ways to increase customer retention. To scale your audience, use Pictory AI to turn blog posts or product reviews into short video ads for YouTube and TikTok. Prompt for Pictory. Turn a customer review about our eco-friendly denim jacket into a 30-second video ad for Instagram. Conclusion. Launching a fashion business no longer requires massive capital or a team of experts. With the help of free AI tools like ChatGPT, KREA, Canva, Notion AI, and Durable, you can go from an idea to a working brand with minimal upfront investment. By using AI to handle ideation, design, branding, marketing, customer service, and analytics, you free yourself to focus on the one thing that matters most: building a fashion brand that people love. The fashion world is ready for new voices, and now, thanks to AI, your voice can be heard louder than ever. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.